Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about properties of similar triangles. So now, what are the main properties of similar triangles? The first condition, if two triangles are similar, how the ratios of their corresponding sides and ratios of their corresponding altitudes and ratios of their corresponding angular bisectors and ratios of corresponding their medians. Now we have to see now first. So if two triangles are similar, first condition is their corresponding angles are equal. Their corresponding angles are equal. First condition. Then second, their corresponding sides are proportional. Then third condition is the ratio of perimeters of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of corresponding sides. Then fourth point is the ratio of altitudes of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of corresponding sides. Then fifth point, the ratio of angular bisectors of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of corresponding sides. Next, sixth point is the ratio of medians of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of corresponding sides. Then seventh point is the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. These are the 7 points we have to remember. when the properties of similar triangles. First, if two triangles are similar, what is the first condition? Their corresponding angles are equal. So let me consider triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So let me consider this is triangle ABC. ABC is similar to triangle PQR. PQR we have to consider. Now what is first point? Corresponding angles are equal. That is angle A is equals to angle P, and angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. This is first point. Now corresponding sides are proportional. That is AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to AC by PR. Now third point is the ratio of perimeters of similar triangles. Perimeters. So perimeter of triangle ABC is equals to perimeter of triangle PQR. Perimeters ratio by perimeter of triangle PQR is equals to AB by PQ, that is equals to BC by QR, that is equals to AC by PR. Now the ratio of altitudes of two similar triangles. If you draw the altitude AM and PN, then AM by PN is equals to AB by PQ, BC by QR, and AC by PR. Now if you take angular bisectors, AX by PY, then AX by PY is equals to AB by PQ, that is equals to BC by QR, that is equals to AC by PR. So now median's ratio you can consider. Median is these two sides are divided. Okay. Now this is AD PS. Then AD by PS is equals to AB by PQ, that is equals to BC by QR, that is equals to AC by PR. Now ratio of areas of two similar triangles, that is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to AB by PQ whole square is equals to BC by QR whole square is equals to AC by PR whole square. So these are the properties of two similar triangles you have to remember. So to do any kind of problem in the related to sides and areas, and sides and medians, and sides and angular bisectors, and sides and altitudes, so these concepts are very helpful to you. So you have to remember all these concepts, either bits or sums. We have to solve very simply by using these type of properties. Okay students, if you have any doubts regarding similar triangles, so you can please contact me and I will try to solve each and every doubt. Thank you very much.